This video will demonstrate how to use bid zones. With bid zones, you can create zones across multiple pages or sections. You can create a bid zone and assign areas to the zone from multiple pages within the bid, and then view your pricing, labor, recap, and reports that are specific to that zone. Now, you're going to want to create your bid zones on a completed takeoff on the takeoff screen. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the page description on the bid tree where you want to create your first zone, and then you'll click on the Create Zone tool on the toolbar, and you will go outside of the shapes that you want to include within the zone, create a box around those shapes. Then you'll click there and you will tap on your Enter button on your keyboard and you'll give your first zone a name. East Partitions. Now, this zone can be included along with other zones on other pages within a larger bid zone. What you're going to want to do is come to this three-dotted button to the right of bid zone, and you will click the plus sign, and you will give your first bid zone a name. Bid zone 1, and click Save, and OK, and then save again. So now we can come down to our second page, and we can create a zone here. I'm going to click the Create Zone button and create a zone over here. And include all of these ceilings, and then you can click on the Enter button on your keyboard and give this zone a name. And you can include this zone within Zone 1 and click OK and save. Now I'm going to come back to the first page on my bid tree, and I am going to create another zone. So I'm going to click on these. I'm going to snap to those points there. And I'm going to include all of this. You're going to want to tap on your Enter button, and you're going to want to give this one a name, West. And I'm going to include this in Zone 2, Bid Zone 2 that is. I'm going to hit that three-dotted button, and then I'm going to click the plus sign up here, and I'm going to create Bid Zone 2. Bid Zone 2. And save. And we're going to select that and say OK. You might want to give it a different color just to differentiate the two zones there. And you're going to want to come down to another page and create another zone here. I'm going to click the Create Zone button. You'll want to snap to these points so that you're not overlapping the zones. That rule still applies to your zones. I'm going to click there, and you'll want to tap on your Enter button and give this one a name, West Ceilings. And you can include this within Zone 2. And I'm going to change the color here just to differentiate. Now, the proof of the pudding is going to be over on your Pages breadcrumb. So you'll come over here and click it, the Pages breadcrumb, where you will see Select Bid Zone, and there's a drop-down arrow. If we don't select anything and we go to the Pricing, Labor, Recap, and Reports, we're going to be looking at the entire bid, not just any zone or bid zone. But if we hit the drop-down arrow and select one of the bid zones, it will highlight the pages that fall within the bid zone. And now if we go to the pricing, labor, recap, and reports, we will be seeing only those things that are included in bid zone 1. If I come to the pricing screen, it says marked zones. These are the material prices that fall within bid zone 1. If I want to go back and look at the overall bid and not just those things that fall within bid zone 1, I can click here where it says marked zones, and it will clear. It will refresh the screen and bring you back to the entire bid. Let's go back to the pages breadcrumb, where you see it's no longer highlighted on bid zone 1. Let's try bid zone 2. Now I want to show you that you can still see your regular zones that fall under each page, and you can clear out the bid zones simply by clicking on this. As you see, that tooltip says reset section. If I click it, then no bid zones are selected. That's it. That's bid zones. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.